Hey guys, Steve Welch here at Beaver Toyota, showing you on the third gen, the latest generation Tundra, the three types of steps that you can get from the factory. All right, so there's a couple of variations I'll talk to you about here in a second, but the three types of steps that you can get from the factory. So first off, you'll see here, this is your oval tube step. So like I said, this one is the one at the variation. So this one you can actually get with the chrome, or you can get it all black, so just depending on the way that you want it. This one is your cast aluminum. All right, so say TRD, it's a TRD step, cast aluminum step that you can get. So, and keep in mind that all of your trucks for your Tundra, and realistically your 4Runner and your Tacoma as well, come with the bolt holes already in there for that. But there is one more down here that shows you the third kind that you can get, which is right here. This is your Predator tube step, which has the individual steps down on either side, a little bit closer up to the top with the rail, but those will only come in black. So those are the three types of running boards or steps that you can get on your third generation Toyota Tundra. Steve Welch, Beaver Toyota. You guys have a great day. If you guys are looking for anything when it comes to the a new vehicle or a pre-owned vehicle, feel free to reach out to me. Buy a Toyota Nashville at yahoo.com. Buy a Toyota Nashville at yahoo.com. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.